Quando ti guardo io non resisto ai tuoi occhi così blu, tu non mi guardi, io non esisto.
Today we'll prepare a cream that is a combination of pastry cream and whipped cream, the Diplomat cream. Let's begin.
Ci sei solo tu.
Let's start with the pastry cream. First I'll soak the jelly in cold water. Now I start with the pastry cream. I pour the milk in the pan and the vanilla seeds. As it reaches the boil, I pour the sugar in another pan, maize starch, the egg yolks. I mix it. The milk is boiling. I'll pour it in 3 times. And let it cook while stirring continuously. Here the cream is thickened. You need to mix it with some energy to get it shiny. I'll put the cream in a frozen bowl to cool it down immediately. Now I add the softened jelly that has absorbed 5 times its weight of water. Let's stir it vigorously. Let's put it in the fridge to cool. Meanwhile, I whip the cream. The cream should be whipped and should remain shiny. If it is slightly grainy, whip it a little more, turn it into butter and use it for other recipes. This cream is whipped well. If it is more whipped, it stops tasting like cream and starts tasting like butter. 2 different things. The custard, the jelly that I put in earlier, I put the cream in and it becomes Diplomat cream. In order to be something special, the Diplomat cream, to be true Diplomat cream, must stay shiny. If it's not, you have missed your objective. The Diplomat cream is mainly used to fill the Millefoglie pastry, but it has a multitude of uses. It is an exquisite dessert. It is a cream that will fascinate you. Here is my Diplomat cream, delicious and delicate. To the next recipe.